Sol forecast, Solana price reaches the $100 mark. The Solana price rose over 48.5% this week alone. The Solana price has now reached the $100 mark. After a short correction move of around 20% last week, Solana is already continuing the uptrend this week. But now Solana will soon encounter significant Fibonacci resistance. Never heard of Solana? Find out how Solana works here. Solana price is about to reach the key 0.382 Fib resistance at around $104. The SOL price has risen over 474% since September. But now Solana is encountering significant Fibonacci resistance at around $104, which could initially result in a bearish rejection of the price. Otherwise, the next and crucial Fibonacci resistance is waiting at the golden ratio at around $170. With a break of this Fib level, Solana will be back in the bull trend. That being said, the MACD lines are still bullishly crossed on the monthly chart and the MACD histogram is ticking bullishly higher, while the RSI is approaching overbought regions. A golden crossover is imminent on Solana's weekly chart. On Solana's weekly chart, the MAs are about to form a golden crossover. This would confirm the trend as bullish in the medium term. That being said, the MACD histogram is ticking bullishly higher again this week after ticking bearishly lower last week. In addition, the MACD lines are bullishly crossed. The RSI, on the other hand, is in heavily overbought regions, but does not show any bearish divergence. There are no bearish indications on Solana's daily chart either. The indicators in the daily chart are also bullish. The MACD lines are bullishly crossed and the MACD histogram is ticking bullishly higher. In addition, there is already a golden crossover here, which means that the trend remains bullish in the short to medium term. Furthermore, the RSI does not show any bearish divergence here either, although it is in overbought regions. However, if Solana encounters bearish rejection at the 382 Fib resistance at around $104, Solana will find the next significant Fib support at around $64.50. There the 50-day EMA acts as additional support. In the 4H chart, MACD is gradually giving bearish signals. In the 4H chart, the MACD histogram shows a bearish downtrend and the MACD lines may soon cross bearishly. At the same time, the RSI is in neutral territory and the MAs continue to show a golden crossover, confirming the short-term bullish trend. Against Bitcoin, Solana price appears to be breaking the 0.382 Fib resistance at around 0.00207. BTC against BTC, Solana was able to reach and even exceed the 0.382 Fib resistance at around 0.00207 BTC. In the event of a bullish break, a weekly close above 0.00207 BTC, Solana could rise another 39% to reach the golden ratio resistance at around 0.0031 BTC. Apart from that, the MACD lines have crossed bullishly and the MACD histogram is ticking bullishly higher again this week. Here too, the RSI is in heavily overbought regions, but does not show any bearish divergence. Should Solana correct, significant Fib supports await at around 0.00158 BTC, and around 0.00115 BTC.